I feel like you're the way you express yourself and the way you communicate is very controlled. Is that a product of you working in the space that you're working in? PR is obviously requires quite a bit of control, self control, obviously.
I think any professional gig requires self control. Whether or not people always realize it is another story. And I know that higher up you go in management, it can be more challenging for some than others. Like I said, I never planned on doing this for a living. So a big part of what I had to learn along the way was managing myself. I earlier in my career when I worked for large agencies, I learned to manage others through experience and just being thrown in the deep end. But now it's really, if I have an anxious moment or two, I have to step back and wonder why. Is it something that I did or I'm not doing? If I feel like I'm not living up to my part of the bargain,